Right, I really don't want to do this, but I just have to solve my own curiosity. I am wanting to, let's see, this is all stock SUV parts so far, from the exit hose way down there, tip of my finger, to this, I believe it's called a water reservoir here. This pipe is stock SUV, and then this is the stock SUV resonator. But right now, for this conversion, using the MR1 FXHO, I've got this straight pipe. It's probably 12 to 14 inches long. It goes down to a XL800 water box. My thinking being, why not just use the SUV one? What happened is this resonator, this gets pushed down pretty far, and it gets in the way of the stock, what do you call this thing? The stock glove box or trunk compartment thing. I mean, it pushes out of the way. It's not that much in the way, but I'd like to put this up a little further and a little further back. So what I'll do is I'll loosen up that bottom hose clamp there. I'll probably go ahead and loosen up that top one as well, just in case I need to manipulate this a little bit. Get rid of this straight run for now. And the stock SUV pipe has this bend in it. Of course, this end here will fit the outside the outside diameter of that resonator, but the bottom will come nowhere near fitting the stock nipple on this water box down here. So what I did, as you see this other one I did here just to modify it, I ended up building up the bottom with a few layers of rubber and then just double hose clamped it to keep it nice and secure on there. So I'll leave that doubled upness on there and try to see this, to see what the difference is, where this resonator lands. Right now it's kind of, you can see it's kind of cattywampus, leaning a little bit to the right, and I'd say there's a good there's a good 6 to 7 inches of headspace there. I'm just trying to push it up and out of the way a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I've got that XL800 water box built up with two different rubber hoses. The height of that pipe on the inside, plus, you know, a 1/4 inch or something like that. But ideally, just the height of that would work out very well.
Have you been?
Yeah, so already I like that configuration a lot better. So we are 100% stock SUV back in here right now, except the aluminum water box with the built-up nipple is from a, I think it's a 98 XL800, but any of the XL800s I think should have that same reduced size nipple. The reason we do that is Kevin Young came up with this. Instead of whoops, let me turn that flash on. Instead of modifying the SUV exhaust and getting it cut off and welded, this nipple is the correct size to transition into the MR1 FXHO motor. So now I just gotta pull everything forward and into that hole, and let's see, attach one piece. And this is, again, Kevin Young's idea. This is off of a Sea-Doo, a 2-stroke Sea-Doo, and I can't remember what year and model, but as you see, it transitions from the smaller diameter up to the larger here. I think it's what, like 2.5 up to a 3 inch or whatever it is. But this thing is an old SKU. I tried calling the company today, and it didn't tell me what part that is. If I'll end up getting that part number from Kevin, the year, model, if this works out, and I'll put that in the comments.